Think math.
What is negative 2 times negative 3? The answer is positive 6. There are two minus signs, and yet the answer came out positive. Why do two minus signs make a positive? Multiplying by one negative flips the direction. Take positive 3 on the number line and multiply it by negative 1. It flips across 0 and lands on negative 3. One minus sign is just a flip to the other side. So what happens if you flip twice? Positive 3 goes to negative 3, and negative 3 goes back to positive 3. Flip twice and you are back where you started. That is why negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. Then what about three minus signs? Flip, flip, and flip again. You end up on the other side. So negative 1 times negative 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. So the sign is set by how many minus signs there are. An even number of them gives a positive, an odd number gives a negative. For the size, just multiply the absolute values. Negative 2 times negative 5 has two minus signs even, so positive 10. Negative 1 times negative 2 times negative 5 has 3, odd, so negative 10. So the sign of a product is set by whether the minus signs are even or odd. Flip an even number of times and you are back in place. Flip an odd number of times and you are on the other side. So what happens when a bracket joins in? A times B plus C. The distributive law, seen at a glance as an area, is next time. A sip of math every day here at Think Math.